Take tic-tac-toe. Today we will learn about Python operators. This is also for beginners. So like any other language, Python operators are also divided into these following types: arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operator, logical operator, identity operator, membership operator or bitwise operator. Now arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are the simple arithmetic functions. So addition is denoted as x plus y, subtraction is x minus y, multiplication x star y, that means x into y, division is x by y, so this is division, modulus is x modulo y, that means it will store the remainder, exponential means x to the power y, it will denoted by double star, x float division x by y, that means it will show if the result is 4.5 it will show 4. So this is float division, the result of the division, the float result of the division. Now assignment operators. Assignment operators is simple is x equal to 5, so it is x equal to 5, x plus equal to 5, that means it is replaced in place x. If x is equal to 2, then after this operation x equal to 5, x equal to 2 plus 3 equal to 5 will be replaced in this place. So it is not using any other variable to store the value, so this is replacing in place. So x minus equal to 3 means x equal to x minus 3, x star equal to 3 means x equal to x star 3, x into 3, x divided equal to 3 means x equal to x divided by 3, x modulo 3 means equal to 3 means x equal to the remainder of the result of x divided by 3, x float division 3 means x divided by 3, that means it is stored the value 4. If the result is 4, then 4.5, then the result will store 4 for the float division. Now x star 3 means x equal to x to the power 3, x and equal to 3, this means a bitwise operator, x equal to x bitwise operator 3. So x will be considered as bits and 3 will be considered as bits, and then the operation and will be operated here, then after the result will be stored in x. Like this, x or equal to 3 means x or 3, this is also bitwise operator, these are also bitwise operator, x or 3, that means x equal to x or 3, x right shift equal to 3, that means the bits will be shifted to right and the rightmost bits will be deleted, so this value will be stored in x. X left shift 3 means 3 zeros will be added after that. So these are the assignment operators. Now comparison operator. Equal to is, these all operator give us the result true or false. If x is equal to y, that means x is equal to y, then this we have to write this condition, if x equal to y, then it will give us true. Not equal to means if x not equal to y, it will give us true. Greater than, if x is greater than y, then it will give us true. Less than y, greater than or equal to, that means if x is greater than or equal to, if x is 5, y is 5, it is true. If x is 6, y equal to 3, it is true. But if x is 2, y is 6, it is not true. Like this, less than or equal to, x less than equal to y, it will give us true if x is less than or equal to y. Now logical operators. These are 3 logical operators possible in Python: and, or, and not. So we have to write in this way. If 2 conditions are there and we have to fulfill both of them, then we have to put and in the middle. So if this is the condition and this is the condition, and we have to consider all of them, then we have to put and. If or operator is, if one of these condition is true, then it will give us true. So if x is less than 6 or if x is less than 2, it will give us true. Not means if x is not equal less than 7. So x is less than 7 means x is less than 7 means 1 2 3 4 5 6. So not means 1 2 3 4 5 6, it will give us false value. So like this, these three operators work. Now identity operator, if x is y, it is like equal to, if x is equal to y, then it will give us true, or if x is not y, so we can say that it is give us true when x is not equal to y. Now membership operator, like in and not in are two membership operators of Python. If x is x in y, that means y is a list or y is a string like this. So if x is present in y, then it is give us true. If x is not present in y, then it will give us false. Like this, if x is not in y, it will give us true. If x is present in y, then it will give us false. Now bitwise operators, and, or, XOR, not, left shift, right shift. So these are denoted as x and y, XOR y, x XOR y, not x, x left shift 3, f right shift 3. Like this we can write this bitwise operator. Now operator precedence. If all of the symbols are present in one equation, which will be done first? So to do this, this is the operator's precedence. So from this to this is the highest precedence and this is the lowest precedence. So first bracket will, the operation in bracket will be doing first, then the power operation, that is exponential operation, that is x to the power y. After that urinary plus, urinary minus, or bitwise not, then normal multiplication, division, float division, modulus. After that plus minus, after that left shift, right shift, after that bitwise and, bitwise or, XOR, bitwise or. After that is equal to, is not, in, not in, like this, equal to, not equal to, greater than, equal to. So all of these are in same precedence. These are called comparison, identity and membership operators. After that not, that is logical not, logical and logical or. So like this the arithmetic function will work with this operator's precedence. I think you all understand. Thank you for watching this video.